The beautiful about this sprawling landscape of this house, which is close to 33,000 pieces of land, and in this Caldecott area, there's only 5 pieces of land that is about this size that you can subdivide. And this is the only piece that is facing the reservoir. Whoever buy over this piece will not want to subdivide this beautiful piece of land. Probably they will just build another 2 more houses if their family is extended. I mean, they have an extended family is going to stay there. The owner has actually gone through a lot of efforts and using a lot of money to restore this house. This house is actually built in the 30s, and he spent a kind of effort to ensure that the structure of this whole house is still being kept as its original condition. Yet he has changed all the wiring and piping, aircon, and all the flooring, including all the walls, and make sure that it's livable and it's brand new. So literally, whoever buy over this house can just carry your luggage and just come in. The asking price is very reasonable. They're asking for 50 million for this piece of land. This brand new house is only about less than 1,006 PSF.